Here is the easiest way to build a simple and cheap hoop house greenhouse. Take a tape measure and lay it out alongside the longest edge of the garden bed. Cut some rebar to about 30 centimeters and spread about 10 of them around the bed. Make sure to put in the corners at an edge. Use a hammer to put them firmly and deep enough into the ground, at least 20 centimeters for good strength. Now make the hoops using PVC pipes for electricity. Make sure they're twice as long as the width of your garden bed. My garden bed is about a meter wide, so I use PVC pipes that are 2 meters long. Put the hoops over the rebar and push them as far into the ground as possible. Take a piece of plastic dedicated for making a hoop house. This plastic is strong enough to endure wind forces and temperature differences. It will for sure last longer than cheaper forms of plastic. Make sure the plastic is longer than your garden bed, so that you will be able to cover both the front and the back end. My garden bed is about 3.5 meters long and the plastic is 5 meters in length. Use a stone or something heavy to keep the ends in place. Alongside the edges, use longer weights, like for example wooden fence posts, like I am using here. There you go, your hoop house is already done! To hold it open to work the garden bed, you can just roll up one side of the plastic and use clamps to keep it in place. Thanks for watching!